Okay, here's the deal. This is the OnePlus Nord CE4, the new mid-range phone promising flagship-level performance without the flagship price. OnePlus says it's a game-changer for everyday users, but after spending serious time with it, I found a couple of things they definitely weren't blasting in the ads. Is it worth your hard-earned cash in 2026? Let's find out. Product overview. So what are we actually looking at here? The OnePlus Nord CE4 is the latest mid-range smartphone from OnePlus and aimed at folks who want strong everyday performance, great battery life, and clean software without dropping $800 plus on a flagship. At its core is a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chip and a big 5500 mAh battery, plus OnePlus's smooth 120Hz AMOLED display, all specs that sound solid on paper. What OnePlus markets it as is a no-nonsense phone that ticks all the boxes for most users, but that's not the whole story. Performance. Let's talk real-world performance, because specs are one thing, but day-to-day use is what matters. With the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 under the hood, general use feels smooth. Apps open quickly, multitasking is solid, and most social media, streaming, and navigation tasks run without stutter. It's not a flagship-level chip, but for your day-to-day phone life, texting, scrolling, TikTok, YouTube, it's perfectly happy. Gaming is where things get a bit interesting. Light to medium titles like Asphalt 9 and Call of Duty Mobile run decently, but you'll see frame dips in more demanding games if you push settings too high. Some users report occasional heat buildup during extended gaming sessions, which is something to be aware of if you're a mobile gamer. The UI, Oxygen OS based on Android 14, is clean and responsive, not bogged down with bloatware. Navigation feels fluid and animations don't lag, which really makes daily use feel faster. All in all, for the price bracket, the performance is impressive. Just know it's not meant to replace a flagship powerhouse. Features and tech. 120Hz Fluid AMOLED display. This is one of my favorite things about this phone. Scrolling through feeds, switching apps, watching videos, everything feels smooth and responsive. It's not just numbers, it really changes the feel of the interface. 100-watt SuperVOOC fast charging. The 5500 mAh battery is big, and paired with 100-watt wired charging, this phone refills shockingly fast. You can go from near zero to full in about 30 minutes, which is a lifesaver on busy days. Solid stereo speakers, loud and clear audio, handy for movies or video calls when you don't have earbuds. Clean Oxygen OS experience. OnePlus keeps the software pretty clutter-free, which means less bloatware and more usable storage from day one. But there are a few misses. Same as many phones at this price, there's no wireless charging, the frame is plastic, not metal, and the camera, while respectable, isn't gonna blow away next-gen flagships. But for everyday snaps and casual content, it holds up fine. Design and build. Aesthetically, OnePlus has kept things clean and modern. The Nord CE4 looks sleek with a slim profile and a subtle camera bump. It's got an IP54 rating, so it can handle splashes and dust, always nice if you're out and about. The frame leans plastic, which keeps weight down, but doesn't feel as premium as metal. Still, the phone feels solid in hand and comfortable to use with one hand. Fingerprints? Not a huge issue, but a case is still recommended, and honestly, who doesn't use one these days? The side-mounted fingerprint sensor is fast and accurate, which is always worth a quick shout-out. Camera performance. Here's where opinions diverge. On sunny days, the 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS takes clean, detailed shots with accurate colors. Nothing jaw-dropping, but solid for social media and daily life. The 8-megapixel ultrawide is decent for landscapes, but expects softer results than the main shooter. Video recording goes up to 4K at 30 FPS, but some users have reported occasional frame drops and focus hiccups at higher resolutions. Night and low light performance is okay, not flagship level, and no telephoto means digital zoom isn't going to replace dedicated zoom lenses. But for everyday snaps and casual content, it holds up fine. Pros. Smooth and responsive 120Hz AMOLED display. Clean Oxygen OS experience with minimal bloat. Solid performance for daily tasks and light gaming. Cons. Camera is good but not great, and plastic frame feels less premium.
final verdict.
So who should actually buy the OnePlus Nord CE4? If you're someone who just wants a reliable daily phone with smooth performance, great battery life, and clean software, and you're not obsessed with camera performance or flagship-level gaming, this is a fantastic value. It punches above its price in everyday use, and charging convenience alone justifies the upgrade for a lot of people. But if you're someone who prioritizes top-tier camera capabilities, wireless charging, or wants a phone that will stay cutting-edge for 5 years, you might want to look at slightly pricier alternatives. Overall, though, for most people in the mid-range market, the OnePlus Nord CE4 is a compelling choice and a solid daily driver, especially if you find it on sale. So that's my full take on the OnePlus Nord CE4. What do you think? Worth it, or should we be saving for something bigger? Drop a comment below and let me know. If this helped you out, smash that thumbs up, and of course, hit subscribe for more honest tech reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.